I'm shuffling.
The International Television Festival is the premier television festival in the world, debuting some of the most unique and innovative pilots, web series, documentaries, features, music videos, scripts, and spec commercials.
I want the goods!
With success stories ranging from sales of shows to Fox and Starz, to directors and writers being commissioned by NBC, CBS, and Sony, as well as actors getting in front of some of the biggest casting directors in Hollywood. ITV Fest continues to be on the forefront of achievement. Join the celebrities on the red carpet and be part of the star-studded awards ceremony. This year, ITV Fest will be partnering with PopCon LA, the popular culture convention at the LA Convention Center. Experience the exhibit hall, artist gallery, industry panels, celebrity signings, fashion shows, music concerts, as well as ITV Fest and film screenings. Submit your project and get your tickets now.